Humanity is on the brink of an extraordinary journey. Artemis II will be the first crewed mission to orbit the moon in over 50 years. Did you know the spacecraft will travel nearly 280,000 miles, venturing farther than any humans have gone since Apollo 17? This mission isn't just about distance, it's about reigniting our quest to explore and settle new worlds. Are you ready to discover what makes Artemis II a giant leap for mankind? What is Artemis II? Artemis II is set to be a groundbreaking mission that marks humanity's first crewed journey beyond low Earth orbit in over half a century. This mission is the second flight in NASA's ambitious Artemis program, designed to return astronauts to the moon and eventually pave the way for human exploration of Mars. Unlike its predecessor, Artemis I, which was an uncrewed test flight, Artemis II will carry a crew of astronauts aboard the Orion spacecraft as it orbits the moon. This is a critical step because it will test the spacecraft's life support systems, navigation, and communication capabilities with humans on board, ensuring everything works perfectly before attempting a lunar landing. The mission will last about 10 days, during which the crew will travel approximately 280,000 miles, circling the moon and then returning safely to Earth. Artemis II is not just about testing technology, it's a symbol of renewed human ambition in space exploration, reigniting the excitement of lunar discovery that began with the Apollo missions. This mission will demonstrate the ability to send astronauts farther than ever before, opening new frontiers for science and international cooperation. The success of Artemis II will lay the foundation for Artemis III, which aims to land astronauts on the moon's surface, including the first woman and the next man. In many ways, Artemis II is the bridge between dreams and reality, proving that the next giant leap for mankind is well within reach. This mission is more than just a test flight, it's a bold statement that the era of deep space exploration is back and it's here to stay. The crew and their roles. The astronauts chosen for Artemis II are not just explorers, they are pioneers ready to push the boundaries of human spaceflight. This diverse and highly skilled crew brings together experience, expertise, and a shared passion for discovery. Each astronaut has undergone rigorous training to prepare for the unique challenges of traveling beyond Earth's protective atmosphere and venturing into deep space. Their roles are carefully assigned to ensure every aspect of the mission runs smoothly, from piloting the Orion spacecraft to monitoring life support systems and conducting critical communications with mission control. What makes this crew especially exciting is the blend of veterans and newcomers, bringing fresh perspectives while relying on proven skills. Their teamwork and resilience will be tested as they orbit the moon, facing the isolation and risks that come with such a historic journey. Beyond their technical roles, these astronauts serve as ambassadors for humanity's future in space, inspiring millions back on Earth. Their mission isn't just about science and technology, it's about proving that humans can live and work safely in the harsh environment of space. By successfully completing Artemis II, they will demonstrate the readiness and courage needed to take the next giant leap, landing on the lunar surface. This crew's journey symbolizes hope, innovation, and the relentless human spirit that drives us to explore the unknown. They remind us that space exploration is a team effort, combining skill, bravery, and vision to open new frontiers for all of us. Space Launch System rocket. When it comes to launching Artemis II, the Space Launch System rocket is the true powerhouse behind this historic mission. This isn't just any rocket, it's the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built, designed specifically to carry astronauts and heavy payloads beyond Earth's orbit. Standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, the SLS packs an incredible amount of thrust, enough to propel the Orion spacecraft and its crew nearly 280,000 miles to the moon and back. What's fascinating is how this rocket combines cutting-edge technology with lessons learned from decades of space exploration. Its massive core stage, fueled by liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen, works alongside solid rocket boosters that ignite with a thunderous roar, pushing the spacecraft at blistering speeds. The SLS's design also allows for flexibility, meaning it can be upgraded for future missions to Mars and beyond. But raw power isn't the only story here, precision is just as critical. Every launch sequence is meticulously planned to ensure the rocket's engines and boosters work in perfect harmony, delivering a smooth and safe ride for the crew. The SLS represents a leap forward in human spaceflight capability, making Artemis II possible and setting the stage for more ambitious journeys. Without this rocket, sending astronauts beyond low Earth orbit would remain a distant dream. So, as Artemis II prepares to launch, the SLS stands ready as the mighty vehicle that will carry humanity's hopes and dreams back to the moon. Orion spacecraft features. The Orion spacecraft is the heart of Artemis II, designed to keep astronauts safe and comfortable as they journey farther than humans have ever gone before. This spacecraft isn't just a capsule, it's a marvel of engineering packed with advanced life support systems, navigation tools, and safety features. Orion's sleek design includes a crew module where astronauts live and work, protected by a heat shield that will endure the intense heat of re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. Inside, the crew will have everything they need, from oxygen and temperature control to communication systems that keep them connected to mission control millions of miles away. One of the most impressive aspects of Orion is its ability to support deep space missions, with systems built to handle the challenges of radiation, microgravity, and the psychological effects of isolation. The spacecraft also features a service module, which provides propulsion, power, and thermal control, ensuring the crew can maneuver around the moon and return safely. Every detail of Orion has been tested rigorously, with Artemis II serving as the first real-world test with humans on board. This mission will prove that Orion can handle the demands of lunar orbit, paving the way for future missions to land astronauts on the moon and eventually Mars. Orion represents a leap forward in space travel technology, combining safety, reliability, and innovation to make deep space exploration possible. As Artemis II prepares for launch, Orion stands ready to carry humanity's explorers on a journey that could redefine our place in the cosmos. Mission objectives. Every mission needs clear goals, and Artemis II has some of the most important objectives in recent space history. The primary mission is to test the Orion spacecraft's systems with astronauts on board, ensuring that life support, navigation, and communication work flawlessly in the harsh environment of deep space. This means the crew will monitor how well the spacecraft supports human life far from Earth, testing everything from oxygen levels to temperature control. Another key goal is to validate the spacecraft's ability to perform complex maneuvers, such as entering and exiting lunar orbit, which is crucial for future missions that will actually land on the moon. Artemis II will also gather valuable data on radiation exposure and the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body, helping scientists prepare for even longer journeys to Mars. Beyond the technical tests, the mission aims to strengthen international partnerships and demonstrate that humans can safely live and work beyond low Earth orbit. These objectives aren't just boxes to check, they represent the foundation for a sustainable human presence in space. Success here will prove that NASA's plans for Artemis III and beyond are achievable, moving humanity closer to returning to the lunar surface and eventually exploring Mars. Artemis II is a critical proving ground where every system and procedure will be scrutinized to ensure the safety and success of future explorers. This mission is about more than just technology. It's about building confidence and experience, turning ambitious dreams into achievable realities. Trajectory and flight path. The path Artemis II will take on its journey around the moon is as fascinating as the mission itself. This carefully planned trajectory involves launching from Earth, traveling roughly 280,000 miles, and entering a lunar orbit that allows the crew to circle the moon multiple times. Unlike Apollo missions that landed on the lunar surface, Artemis II will stay in orbit, giving astronauts a close-up view of the moon's rugged terrain from a unique vantage point. The flight path is designed to test critical navigation and propulsion systems, including the spacecraft's ability to perform precise maneuvers to enter and exit lunar orbit safely. After completing several orbits, the crew will begin their return trip to Earth, where Orion's heat shield will protect them during the intense re-entry process. This trajectory is not just about getting there and back, it's about mastering the complexities of deep space travel. The mission will demonstrate how humans can operate spacecraft far from Earth's immediate reach, managing communication delays and relying on onboard systems for guidance. Each phase of the flight path is a rehearsal for future missions that will land astronauts on the moon and eventually send them to Mars. The precision required for this journey highlights the incredible coordination between astronauts, mission control, and cutting-edge technology. Artemis II's flight path is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. proving that we can navigate the vastness of space with confidence and skill. This mission will bring us one step closer to making lunar exploration routine and sustainable. Technological innovations. Artemis II isn't just about powerful rockets and advanced spacecraft. It's also a showcase for some of the most exciting new technologies that will shape the future of space exploration. One of the standout innovations is the spacecraft's enhanced life support system, which is designed to keep astronauts healthy and safe during longer missions far from Earth. This system carefully manages air quality, temperature, and waste, all while conserving precious resources. Another breakthrough is the advanced navigation and communication technology onboard Orion, allowing the crew to maintain contact with Earth, even with the vast distance and potential signal delays. Artemis II will also test new radiation shielding methods, which is, a crucial development because deep space exposes astronauts to far more radiation than low Earth orbit. These technologies aren't just incremental upgrades, they represent a leap forward in making long-duration human spaceflight sustainable. The mission will also trial updated software and autonomous systems that can assist astronauts by handling routine tasks or responding to emergencies, reducing the crew's workload and increasing safety. These innovations are essential stepping stones for future missions, especially those aiming for Mars, where astronauts will spend months in space. Artemis II serves as a proving ground, demonstrating that these cutting-edge technologies can operate reliably in the demanding environment of lunar orbit. Each successful test brings humanity closer to establishing a permanent presence beyond Earth, turning science fiction into reality. The technology behind Artemis II is a testament to human creativity and determination, really pushing the limits of what's possible in space travel. International collaboration. Artemis II is not just a NASA mission, it's a global effort that highlights the power of international collaboration in space exploration. Countries around the world are joining forces to make this mission a success, sharing technology, expertise, and resources. For example, the European Space Agency contributes the service module that powers and propels the Orion spacecraft, showcasing how teamwork across continents can achieve what no single nation could do alone. This partnership extends beyond hardware. It includes shared scientific goals, coordinated mission planning, and joint training exercises for astronauts. International cooperation also helps spread the cost and risks associated with deep space missions, making ambitious projects like Artemis II more feasible. This spirit of collaboration reflects a broader vision of space as a domain for peaceful exploration and discovery, where humanity works together to push boundaries. It also sets a precedent for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, where multinational crews and shared infrastructures will be the norm. By involving partners worldwide, Artemis II strengthens diplomatic ties and fosters a sense of global unity through science and exploration. This mission proves that space is not just the final frontier for one country, but a shared journey for all of humanity. The success of Artemis II will inspire more international projects, paving the way for a new era of cooperative space exploration that benefits everyone on Earth. Challenges and risks. Every space mission carries risks, and Artemis II is no exception. Traveling beyond Earth's protective magnetic field exposes astronauts to hazards that require careful preparation and mitigation. One of the biggest challenges is radiation. Deep space is filled with cosmic rays and solar particles that can damage cells and increase cancer risk. NASA has developed advanced shielding and monitoring systems to protect the crew, but the threat remains a significant concern. Another risk comes from the isolation and psychological stress of being far from Earth, confined in a small spacecraft with limited communication delays. The astronauts undergo extensive training to build resilience and teamwork, ensuring they can handle emergencies calmly and effectively. Technical failures are also a possibility, from life support malfunctions to navigation errors, which is why Artemis II is designed with multiple redundancies and rigorous testing. The mission's success depends on the crew's ability to respond quickly and adapt to unexpected situations. NASA's engineers and medical teams work tirelessly behind the scenes to anticipate problems and develop contingency plans. These challenges highlight the bravery and skill of the Artemis II astronauts, who willingly face these dangers to push the boundaries of human exploration. Understanding and managing these risks is essential not only for Artemis II, but for all future deep space missions. Each successful step forward builds confidence and knowledge, making space travel safer and more reliable. Artemis II is a bold reminder that exploration requires courage, preparation, and a commitment to overcoming the unknown. Why Artemis II matters. Artemis II is more than just a mission. It's a bold statement about humanity's future in space. This journey around the moon represents a crucial stepping stone toward establishing a sustainable human presence beyond Earth. By successfully orbiting the moon with a crew on board, Artemis II will prove that long-duration space travel is achievable and safe, inspiring a new generation of explorers and scientists. The mission's success will reignite global excitement for lunar exploration, reminding us that space is not a distant dream but an accessible frontier. It will also accelerate technological advancements and international partnerships, laying the groundwork for Artemis III's historic lunar landing and future missions to Mars. Artemis II symbolizes resilience, innovation, and the unyielding human spirit to explore the unknown. It's a reminder that every great achievement starts with a single step, or in this case, a single orbit. As we watch this mission unfold, we are witnessing the dawn of a new era where the moon becomes a gateway to the stars. Artemis II invites all of us to look up, dream bigger, and believe that the next giant leap is just around the corner. This mission is not just about astronauts or rockets, it's about all of humanity reaching for the cosmos together. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Artemis II and the future of lunar exploration. If you enjoyed diving into these space facts, make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Space Facts. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of our growing community of space enthusiasts. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and tell us what excites you most about Artemis II or the next giant leap in space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up.